Yeah, friends and dear children, in this video we are going to see how easily we can remember multiplication tables. Right. Because multiplication tables play an important role not only in primary classes, even in higher classes. Children generally make silly mistakes because they are not thorough with multiplication tables, even in higher classes. If they go wrong in multiplication, the whole sum may go wrong. Right. So, how to remember multiplication tables quickly and can save time? For example, let me single digit multiplication. If at all children initially they are thorough with 2 to 12 tables or 2 to 15 tables like that. Right. So, let me go for 2 digit. Can I take for example 58? Right, 58. If anyone asks me, say 58 tables, I'll say 58 ones are 50, 58 ones are very happily I'll say 58 ones are 58, 58 twos are it may slow down. 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are so 1 1 6 like that we will. Right. 58 threes are slowly. Right. Right. Speed may slow down. Right, decrease in speed. So, to just like that to remember the multiplication tables, what we can do it. So 58 tables, that means I have to be thorough with 5 table and 8 table. Right, 5 table and 8 table. First, let me concentrate on 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. 5 4s are 20, 25, 30. Let me stop up to this. Here 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. See, once I am thorough with 5 table and 8 table, easily 58 tables I can do it. Always start from last digit. 10, 16, here last is 6. Then middle to add. 0 plus 1, 1. Then first one write it. Can I check it? 58 twos are. Right. Then 58 threes are. Last digit. 5 plus 2, 7. Right. Then 1. 174. Check it. 58 threes are. 174. Same way 2. 0 plus 3, 3, 2, 230. If you check it, 58 4s are, you will get 58 5s are 0, 9, then 2. 58 6 are 8, 4, 3. Suppose if carrying comes, for example, this is 6, no, let me take 5 9s are 45. 8 9s are 72. Then also carrying, carrying we are getting. 5 9s are 45, 8 9s are 72. Here no carrying when I add middle term. But here see, that is middle 2 digits. Not term, 2 digits. Right, so here I told you, start from last 2. 5 plus 7, 12. So in the 5 plus 7, 12, put 2 here, carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5. Can we check it? This is 9s are. Right. So 58 9s are. We'll check it. 9 8s are 72. 9 5s are 45 plus 7 52. See, same answer. So when carrying comes, you carry that next place value to the other digit and add it. Right. Say this is for 2 digit number. So you can ask me, so you have to write and see like this. No need. This is for explanation. I don't like this. Suppose anyone asks you, say 58 tables, mentally you can visualize the 5 table and 8 table. For example, if they ask, what is 58 3 Sarma? If I remember 15 and 24, at once I can say 174. 174. If anyone asks what is 58 6R, if I remember 5 6R and 8 6R, I can visualize mentally and I can say that 3 4 8. So like that, if you in explaining only, it is taking more time. But once we practice and if we know the strategy to remember, and actually everything we should not expect that we should see physically everything. Mentally, we should learn to visualize. Many inventions and discoveries happened by visualizing mentally, in dream. Like that, we should, that's also one of the important thing that we need for visualization is important to improve our creativity. Right, so we should learn to visualize mentally. Besides visualize physically also, we see everything, we read books, all those things, but mentally also we should learn to visualize it. So like that, if you visualize 5 and 8 tables, quickly we can say the 58 tables. Need not write and see like this. Can we go for 3 digit? With 0 we can take 3 digit. Let me take 4, middle I'll put 0. Right, so I have to be thorough with what? 4 table. Can you change the color? 4, 0, 9. 409 table. If anyone asks, I have to visualize what? 4 table, 0, 0 table, 0, 0, everything 0 da. 0, 0. Here 4 ones are 4. Sorry, 4 ones are 4 already written. No, 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24. Then it will continue. Here also 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54. As I said, from last digit we will start 8. 0 plus 1, 1, 8. Can you check it? 409 into 2. 880. Then 3. 409 3s are 7. 0 plus 2, 2. This 12. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 7. So 409 3s are, can we check it? 1, 2, 2, 7. Like that here 409 4s are 6. 0 plus 3, 3, 16. 409 5s are 5, 0 plus 4, 4. Suppose if I get carrying here, what happens? So, can I write 4 9s are 36? 409 9s are, we'll check it. Here, 36 I have written. Here, 0. And here, 9 9s are 81. Then also I won't get carrying, because what I am getting 1, 0 plus 8, 8, 36. Understood? Because I will be getting here 0. So 0 plus 8, 8. Like that. Fine. And can we try one thing where we get 3 digit for 9 table. For example, 9 21s are, sorry, sorry ma, 9 21s are, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So 189. So 409 21s are, 409 21s are. So for that 9 21s are, I am not having place. Somehow I will manage and write. I will use different color. Right? 409 21s are, I am going to write. So 9 21s are 189. See, 189. Here 0. Then 4 into 21. How much? 4 into 21. 84. See, here 3 digit is there. So can we check it? How much is 409 into 21? 1 9s are 9, 1 zeros are 0. Directly also 21 times you can do it. Just to get clarity, I am doing like this. 0, 1, 2 4s are 8. So what I am getting? 8, 5, 8, 9. Same thing, we will see whether we are getting here 8, 5, 8, 9. See here 9 Right, see, be careful, okay. See here, last digit 9, then what? 0, 1, 8. Right, so don't add, listen carefully, ma. Don't add like the 0 plus 1 plus 8. You will get only 9. Right, here you add it like this. Consider the 0 as one middle digit and 18 as one whole. 18 as whole, you look at it. So 18 plus 0, 18. So what I am going to do? 8. 18 plus 0, 18, 8. Carry 1 here. Now 5. Right, now 5 and then 8. So 409 into 21, how much? 8589. Once again I will say, if I get 3 digit here like this, here and all 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit. 3 digit if I get here, see the carrying how it goes. Last digit I am writing 0 as middle and 18 as another middle you have to consider. Not 1, 8 separately. So 0 plus 18, 18. So 8 carry 1. 1 plus 4, 500. Like this you have to do if you get 3 digit like this. Fine. So once we are thorough with the single digit tables, easily we can do the table which we are asked to say. Right. So children, I hope you would have enjoyed this, and if you like it, you please subscribe, and also tell your friends also to view this. I suggest this method. It will be very useful for you if you go not only in primary, even for higher classes also. At once you need not struggle sitting and multiplying 409 into 21. Once you visualize mentally 4 table 0 and 9 1, you can 9 table easily you can 409. So like that, any digit number of digit table you can do it. Main thing is you should visualize mentally. That's what. Don't think like this we have to write and do and all. Since explanation is going on, I wrote it and it took some time. But once you practice it, no, as I said, don't think why again and again Mrs. saying visualize. See, that's a need of the hour. Right. So visualize, easily you can catch it. Because nowadays, besides hard work, smart work also very, very important. Alright. That's why I suggest like this. I am frequently saying visualize mentally everything. Fine. Right. Thank you, children. And I hope you have understood. And any comments, you can give your comments also. Thank you so much, my dear friends and my dear children. I am Mrs. B. Uma, math teacher. Thank you.